Hey, I'm Mark Lambert. I want to show you guys how to make one of my favorite dishes, a traditional charro bean from northern Mexico, just the way my buddies from Monterrey show me how to make it. With all of the goodness, super easy because of la costeña. So, we're going to bowl these up. All my favorite dishes finish with cilantro and onions. Whatever your favorite hot sauce is, put your little dab of that on there. Make sure you get a good bite. All the deliciousness, those charro beans, bacon. Gotta have those hot dogs in there. Takes me all the way back to Nuevo Leon. You gotta try this. La costeña, lights out every time. Alright, so we got about 4 strips of bacon. We're gonna go into the pan here, cut up all nice and bite size, and we're gonna render that bacon down a little bit. Just get some brown on it and extract some of that lovely lard and get that all ready to go. Once that's extracted, we're going to come back here with some of our aromatics. We got all of our cans open, our mise en place done. We're going to go in with our sort of our trinity here, except it's just onions and peppers, bell peppers and onions only. Saute that and wilt it down just a little bit. And once we get our color right, we're going to put our chopped garlic in there. Just a good teaspoon of it. Then we're going to come right behind our chopped garlic and add our chipotles. Now you don't want to add too many. Chipotles are really spicy, but the flavor's not the same without it. So you got to have that one chopped up chipotle, and then always those la costeña jalapenos chopped up, and we're going to incorporate all of that in our skillet. Stir that around until it's all nice and one. Now once that's ready, we've got our first level of liquid ingredient, which is that la costeña salsa. We're going to incorporate that, and then right behind that is time for the main ingredient. I'm going to put those beans in. These beans are great right out of the can, but these charro beans are a party favorite, let me tell you. Once you dump all that in there, just time to season it. Use your favorite Mexican seasoning. We put that in there. There's a couple tablespoons at least, probably 3. And then charro beans, man, you got to have those hot dogs. These are good, all beef hot dogs. You can use the cheap stuff. It really doesn't matter, but you got to have hot dogs. Don't skip that step. Turn it down, let them simmer for 15-20 minutes, and hey, there's the finished product: cilantro, onions, and hot sauce. Killer.